Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I have come here at one of the most talked about township in Kanjurmarg named as Runwal City Centre. If you're looking for a property in Kanjurmarg which is well connected, is it budget friendly and has all the necessary amenities just inside the township, then this is going to be the right choice for you. As you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. Right behind me is the actual tower. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of this particular project. This road leads you to highway and this road leads you to the station. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about the connectivity of this project, the main USP of this very wonderful project is its connectivity because it's very well connected with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 1.5 kilometers, JVLR at a distance of just 900 meters, Kanjurmarg station at a distance of just 300 meters and upcoming metro station at a distance of just 2 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about the land parcel of the entire township, so the entire township is spread in a land parcel of 36 acres freehold land. Now let's talk about the most important part of the township, that is its phases. So this township has 3 phases with 3 different names. Phase 1 is Bliss, Phase 2 is Avenue and Phase 3 is Meadows. So guys, I'm standing at the actual land parcel. Right behind me the construction is going for Meadows. And right over there in front you can see the construction is going for Bliss 2 where we only have 2.5 BHK tower. And that is Bliss 1 where the 3 towers are already delivered. You can have a look. Talking about Runwal Bliss, so it's made on a land parcel of 10 acres in which we have 6 towers, out of which 5 has already been delivered and 1 is under construction, which has ground plus 50 floors with configuration of 1.5, 2 and 3 BHK. So the tower number 6 that I was talking about, it has only one configuration in it which is 2.5 BHK and that is only available. Now talking about the carpet area of Runwal Bliss. So the carpet area for Runwal Bliss is going to be 884 to 948 for 2.5 BHK. All other configurations have been sold out already, guys. And the pricing for Bliss for 2.5 BHK is going to be 2.80 CR. Talking about the possession of Bliss, so as you can see, I'm standing right in front of the tower. The tower that has been constructing behind is the Bliss tower with 2.5 BHK. And the possession according to RERA is going to be December 2029. Talking about Runwal Avenue, so it's made on a land parcel of 6 acres which has 6 towers in it, ground plus 49 residential floors with configuration of 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK. Talking about carpet area, this project has 1.5 to 2.5 BHK in which 1 BHK carpet area is going to be 353 square feet to 424 square feet. And the carpet area for 1.5 BHK is going to be 454 square feet to 464 square feet. And the carpet area for 2 BHK is going to be 548 to 592 square feet. Talking about carpet area for 2.5 BHK, so it's going to be 647 square feet to 687 square feet. Now coming to the pricing part for Runwal Avenue. So the pricing for 1 and 1.5 BHK is going to be starting from 1.20 CR to 1.55 CR. And the pricing for 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK is going to be ranging from 1.83 CR to 2.40 CR. The RERA possession for Runwal Avenue is going to be December 2026 to December 2027. Talking about project overview of Runwal Meadows, so it will be made on a land parcel of 10 acres with 12 towers, ground plus 40 floors with configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK. Talking about carpet area, this project has 3 configurations as mentioned, 2, 3 and 4. The carpet area for 2 BHK is going to be 725 to 850 square feet. And the carpet area for 3 BHK is going to be 1246 square feet to 1256 square feet. And the carpet area for 4 BHK, which even has a servant room in it, is going to be 1811 square feet. Talking about the pricing of Runwal Meadows, so it has 3 configurations where the pricing for 2 BHK is going to be ranging from 2.20
to 2.55 CR, 3 BHK is going to be 3.80 CR, and 4 BHK is going to be 5.5 CR. Talking about the possession of Runwal Meadows, so it's going to be June 2032.
Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housing के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers do not know what their actual rights are. For example, if you have taken a home from builder, just given a token amount, but now you want to cancel off, then how much money can the builder legally deduct? You should know this. Secondly, let's say after possession you have any problem such as leakage or construction related issue, then what liability does the builder hold? It's very much important for you to know all these things. We have explained all these things in very easy to understand and simple language. So next time when you plan to buy a home, go through Housie's Rights of Home Buyer series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button और नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Now coming to one of the most exciting part of this township, that is its amenities. So this township has 100 plus luxurious amenities which is very rare to find, which include 60,000 square feet of clubhouse, Olympic size swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose court, yoga center, gym and many more. You keep counting and it doesn't end. Now talking about the booking amount, so our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat, will also help you with the payment and EMI schemes. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. So everyone, this was the entire project details of one of the most talked about township of Runwal named as City Center in Kanjurmarg. To get more information and more detailed information about this township, download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also check the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housing.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.